The lion is commonly seen as the king of longevity. Then it should be invincible in the world. It must also be a hegemonic position on the grassland. But is that really the case? It's not. This is a male lion being attacked by a buffalo. He was so scared that he didn't dare to move. The herd didn't intend to let him go. The sharp horns directly flew the lion. The desperate lion wants to resist. But two fists can't beat the assassin. The buffalo didn't give him a chance to fight back. The war takes turns. The lion was thrown into the air again and again. He helplessly hid under the tree. I feel safe now. This time the buffalo finally stood up. The buffaloes are getting more and more aggressive. I don't want to let the lion go easily. New hatreds make the herd even crazier. Male lions have no power to play. Hide under the tree again. The prestige of the past is gone. It's always buffalo. I guess this time he will be awesome for the rest of his life. Finally ravaged a male lion. They seemed very excited. It seems that it is useless for a lion to beg for mercy. Look for opportunities. The buffalo hit the lions but again. Facing so many buffaloes. The lion was too scared to move. At this time, the lion slowly rushed over. The buffalo herd at this time also all ran away. Then the lion dared to stand up.